Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the iPhone 15 Pro Max back crack issue in detail. This has been a hot topic in the tech community lately, so I wanted to take some time to break it down for you and explain everything you need to know. What is the issue? On social media, we see a lot of news and videos from iPhone users and reviewers claiming a major durability issue in latest iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max back crack issue is a problem where the back glass of the phone can crack or shatter, even with minimal force. This has been happening to users all over the world, and it's become a major concern for many people. Now let's talk about the possible cause of the iPhone 15 Pro Max back glass crack issue. There are a few possible causes of the iPhone 15 Pro Max back crack issue. One possibility is that the new design of the phone is more fragile. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a flat-edge design, which is more prone to cracking than the curved-edge design of previous models. Another possibility is that the new material used for the back glass is more fragile. The iPhone 15 Pro Max uses a new type of glass that is more scratch resistant, but it may also be more prone to cracking. Additionally, some experts believe that the new manufacturing process used to produce the iPhone 15 Pro Max may be to blame. The new process involves welding the titanium frame to the back glass, which could create a weak point where the two materials meet. How widespread is the issue? It's difficult to say how widespread the iPhone 15 Pro Max back crack issue is, as Apple has not released any official data. However, based on the number of reports on social media and other online forums, it appears to be a relatively common problem. What can you do if your iPhone 15 Pro Max back cracks? If your iPhone 15 Pro Max back cracks, there are a few things you can do. First, you can try to contact Apple and see if they will replace the phone for free. Apple has a 1-year warranty on all of its products, so if the crack is due to a manufacturing defect, they may be able to replace your phone. If Apple is unable to replace your phone for free, you can take it to a third-party repair shop. However, it's important to note that repairing the back glass of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is not easy or cheap. The back glass is fused to the frame of the phone, so it needs to be replaced as a whole. This can cost several $100s. There are a few things you can do to prevent your iPhone 15 Pro Max back from cracking. Use a case. A good case will help to protect your phone from drops and other impacts. Be careful when handling your phone. Avoid dropping your phone or hitting it against hard surfaces. Avoid putting your phone in your back pocket. When you sit down, your phone can be put under a lot of pressure, which can cause the back glass to crack. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Avoid exposing your phone to extreme temperatures. Heat and cold can both weaken the back glass and make it more prone to cracking. What is Apple doing to address the issue? Apple has not yet officially acknowledged the iPhone 15 Pro Max back crack issue. However, it's likely that the company is aware of the problem and is working on a solution. Some experts believe that Apple may release a software update to address the issue, while others believe that the company may need to redesign the phone or change the manufacturing process. Conclusion: the iPhone 15 Pro Max back crack issue is a serious problem that is affecting many users. If you are concerned about this issue, there are a few things you can do to protect your phone and prevent the back glass from cracking. Additionally, it's important to stay tuned for updates from Apple, as the company is likely working on a solution to the problem. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about the iPhone 15 Pro Max back crack issue. The issue seems to be most common in the first few months after the phone is released. This suggests that the problem may be related to the manufacturing process or the materials used. The issue can occur with or without a case. However, a good case will help to protect your phone from drops and other impacts, which can reduce the risk of the back glass cracking. Thanks for watching Inforift. We hope you learned something new. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos.